Hi guys! This might be the biggest unboxing video I've ever done. Are you ready? What do we have? So there is a lot of stuff because this is stuff from like a month, exactly a whole month. The shoe launch happened, I left for Switzerland and I have not opened anything since. So we have a lot of packages to open, starting with this one. What do we have here? Really pretty. Papa Don't Preach! Oh, this is from Shubhika. You've had an incredible year and we've been watching all the splendid work you've done. Here's a little Christmas cheer. Thanks, Shubhix. Can't wait to see what it is. What do we have? Oh my god, this is stuff from her Garfield collection. How cute are these shorts, guys? This is super cute. Oh my god, I love it. Can't wait to wear this. Thanks, Shubhix. Then we have something from Drawn. I think I know this is, I think it's a candle. Because I do remember them sending a Christmas candle. And I think I'm right, guys. Yes, I love their packaging. Like everything is so pretty and everything smells divine. It's a pretty candle. Thanks, guys. I'm gonna go for this guy next because this one is for Mazi. What have we got here? This is from Love, Beauty and the Planet and Heads Up for Tails. They have some cutesy stuff that they've sent together. There was also a little squishy toy for Mars in this, which I had already taken out and given to him on Christmas. I'm a good mummy like that. And there's some really nice products like a hair mask, a wooden comb, which I could really use. I've been wanting one of these. And these are going to be added to my Christmas decorations. So thanks, guys. Up next, we have this. It's heavy. I'm really like curious because it has a fragile sticker on it. And it's quite heavy. So I wonder what we have in this. What do you guys think is in here? Ooh. Okay, this is so beautifully packed. I'm gonna gently open. And there's a letter in here as well. And it says a letter from one of your oldest fans. Okay, I can't wait to read this. Oh my god, yes! Now I remember she reached out to me on Instagram to tell me about her stationery brand. And there's a really sweet, long personal letter from Nalini and Tejaswini. Thank you so much for this. I am going to read it. I don't want to read the whole thing out to you guys, but I'm going to show you some of their amazing products because their packaging is fantastic so far. Everything is beautifully packed and they have some stunning stationery. I remember seeing their products online and saying, oh my god, I'd love to receive some of them. Look at these. How cute are these postcards? And we also have, okay, I'm going to open everything and show you everything. Everything is so beautiful. Thank you guys so much. The details are in the description. Check them out. This one I'm really excited about because I think I know what's in here. Because I think I chose it and I am very excited about it. Oh wow, there's a lot. Okay, so there's more than I expected. Okay, so we have some beautiful gifts from Love Letter. I was expecting one thing, but I don't know what the rest are. But I just love the packaging, how beautiful everything is. I'm gonna start with opening this one. Oh, there's some chocolates. Yumza. In box number 2. I'm trying my best to salvage the ribbon. I don't know why, but I'm really trying. Oh my god, it's a holiday puzzle! And here, what do we have? I know what is there, but do you know what's there? There are some lovely bag charms. I can't wait to put these onto my bag. They are so pretty. Like, look at this. I love the little red accents in it. I feel like it's going to go perfectly with my current bag charm situation. And there's also a really cute little palm tree. So yeah, can't wait to put these on my bag. And happy holidays. Thank you. Up next, very excited about this big guy. Now this is actually my sister's shoe collab with Anaar. So she did a whole collection which is heels. So we've got you covered. If you want heels, you can buy Anaita shoes. If you want flats, you can get my Mary Janes. I chose a pair that I really love, and I think they're gonna be like my staple heels because they were gorgeous in pictures and they are gorgeous in person too. Oh my god, how stunning are these shoes? Love them. I can't wait to wear them. And yeah, as I said, if you're looking for heels, my sister's got you covered. If you're looking for flats, I've got you covered. Thank you guys, love these. Then we have this big guy from Laneige. Only Laneige can send you a pillow and it's lovely. Like, it's a nice big bag. I can't wait to use this bag. It's huge, so you can fit in like your whole world, which is perfect for people like me because you know I carry like 2,000 things when I walk around anywhere. And this is, I think, the bouncy and firm range that I love. Yes, the same launch that I was a part of. Love these products, and I love the pouch. Like, it is like that, you know, like that cushiony, soft, plushy feel, and I feel like I'm going to use this for my vlog cam that is not broken anymore, by the way. Yay for me. And yeah, thank you for this, guys. Up next, we have the Hidesign planner, which they always send me. Very excited for this. Actually, I haven't bought my usual planner for the year. We are already in Jan. What am I doing? Sherry, get crack-a-lackin'. Actually, I didn't really see any... I usually buy them when I travel, or I have like a few which I usually use. Love the color. They always do a really nice planner, and thank you Dipen and thank you Dilip. I like that it's blank, so you can obviously write a lot of your stuff for people like me that make 100 notes in a day. So thank you guys. What do we have here? Some Christmassy packaging. This is from the lovely people at Fig that sent me a lamp even earlier. This is a cute little Christmas gift. Ooh, these are so cute. Like, I'm gonna add these. They're little ornaments made from paper, but they're just so pretty. And I feel like they would be a perfect addition to the tree. I know it's late, but my tree is still up, and I usually keep my tree up till like mid-Jan. So I'm gonna add these. Thanks, guys. Then we have something from Indē Wild. I always love Deepa stuff. You guys know I'm a huge fan of the lip balm, and I use it a lot. I'm hoping this is that. What do we have here? What do we have here? Such beautiful packaging. Ooh, yes! It's my favorite, the dewy lip treatment. And it actually has the tinted versions now. Very excited. I love the original, and honestly my only complaint with the original was this, that I was like, I wish that it was tinted. So I'm very excited to actually try these. Let me know if you guys want me to review these, because I love the original. You've seen it in so many videos already. Can't wait to swatch these and use them. Thank you. Up next, what's in this bag? This is the perfect match. I think this is a book. Yes, it is a book. I remember the author writing to me, and there's also a lot of stuff that's been sent with it. It's like a little hamper, which is really sweet. Like, there's a nice big tote bag and there's products, but I'm not going to focus on that because this is the real deal. And this is what we're here for. There's some stickers as well. And it's just really beautiful. Like, look at the illustrations. How amazing is this? This is from Preeta. Thank you, Preeta. It is absolutely beautiful, and I will read it to Mars at bedtime. But it's really beautiful. Thank you. This really big guy. I don't know what's in here. This is from Singhania. It's a very big, heavy box. Okay, I got this. What do we have here? Okay, wow, there's a lot in here. There's some bangles. There's this beautifully wrapped potli. What do we have in here? Look at this. Look at the work on that. How pretty is that? This is gorgeous. Can't wait to wear this. How pretty is that? Thank you so much, guys. Up next, something from Nykaa. I don't know if I've ordered this or if this is a PR package, because I've also ordered a lot of stuff. Okay, this I have not ordered. This is Charlotte Tilbury stuff. So we have the iconic glowing smoother, plumper like skin situation. We have the lip kit and we have a blush kit. Again, let me know in the comments if you guys want me to review any of these, because I feel like I've been dying to try some of these. I've used some of the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks and I love them. So very excited to try all of this. Let me know in the comments if you want me to try and review for you. I can. Thanks, guys. Another Nykaa parcel. This is probably my own stuff, but we never know. What do we have here? Okay, again, guys, this is not my package. This is something else. Very exciting. Oh, this is from Pixi. And what all do we have? Wow, lots of new beauty products to like review for you guys. Let me know if we should do something. There's a lip treatment balm, which looks really nice. And what do we have here? We have, ooh, look at the colors on these. This looks so good. These are the blushes. Oh my god. I have been dying to try these blushes. Okay, so these are like so lovely. I've seen so much of them. Love the packaging. Like, they're like this, and that's the blush. They are beautiful and I can't wait to use these. My fingers are really messed up right now, so I don't want to put on my face. Really excited to use these. I would have swatched them right now, but my hands are filthy after opening all the packages and I don't really want to put them on my face. So let me know in the comments. We'll do another video with all the stuff because I know there's a lot to review. Up next, we have something from my favorites, WhySoBlue, that spoil me every, I think, few days. You guys are just too kind. There's this really cool, nice dress, just really fun. And it has a really nice jacket. So it's very different to any of the stuff that I own already. And I think this is perfect for the weather right now. And I've just dropped a bunch of packages, but ignore that. Yeah, can't wait to wear this. Thanks, guys. This, I know it's from Norii and I can't wait to see it because I know it's going to be beautiful. And I know you guys are going to love it as well. It has a sticker saying you're awesome. How cute is that? This is her beautiful calendar. There's also some of her stationery, and she's sent me this very sweetly. This is going to go onto my desk. I have appreciated her work on Instagram for a while now, and she does some amazing stuff. So definitely check her out along with everybody else. I've put everything in the description. Look at how pretty that is. Like, you definitely want this on your desk. So yeah, thank you for everything. Then we have the most beautiful card I always get at Christmas. This is from Hermès. And I love that they actually send you a card. Like, they have these beautiful cards, which are always beautiful illustrations. Look at these. These are just so pretty, and I'm definitely going to frame these and find a corner for them. This is what I love. Like, I love Christmas gifts like this, that, you know, they mean something, you remember them, and there's thought behind it, right? So love this, and it's definitely going to go up in the renovated studio. Once it's renovated, it's going to happen. I already know what's in this one. This is gonna be my favorite mask from Dr. Jart. They've sent me another one. Love it. Okay, so tonight's masking is sorted. Thank you guys. You guys know I love this. This is my favorite Korean face mask. It was in my video as well. Love, love, love. Can't go wrong with this. If there's one mask you need, it's this. Last one, guys. Okay, this is also from Hidesign. Wow, there are two. They are also another brand that always spoil me, and I love you guys. Thank you, Dipain and Dilip. It's a really nice pouch, which is great for like my toiletries, or actually even for my camera stuff. Like, it's just such a lovely pouch. Thank you, guys. So guys, those were all the packages. There were a lot this time. Thank you to all the lovely brands and people that sent me Christmas and New Year gifts. I really, really appreciate it. And for you guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. So stick around. Maybe I think in Jan favorites, we're going to probably do 1 or 2 giveaways, I think. Thank you to everyone that sent me stuff. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below and tell me what your favorite package was. Which one was your favorite? See you guys. Bye.